Right down here's an old truck behind this grader thing. There's a corn planter. Found this. Thought it was interesting. It's a 74 or 5 Lodestar. It's got a good dump bed on it. Nice truck. That bed ain't got no dents on it. No dents on it. That's a good bed. Tilt hood, Lodestar 1600. 51 Got a real nice dash in it. Look at that dash. PTO and everything in it. Missing a door panel. Needs a seat. Good gas tank on the side. I believe it's a 14-foot long. It's a nice old truck. Could be restored. Tag. Old license tag on it. I don't see how there's no dents in that bed. That's a good bed. Cab's in good shape. Look at that thing. Big grader thing. And of course a 4-row corn planter. It's in pretty good shape. That's a neat old truck. It's cool looking. Anyhow, this Ron Cool Truck Guy signing out.